This simple game from 2013 was made to waste your time. So I taught my computer to play it for me while I made this video. This is my cookie clicker bot I made using a library called PyAutoGUI, a tool to take over your computer. For example, it can steal your mouse to click the subscribe button, or use your keyboard to leave a comment. I started off by teaching my computer to click the cookie as fast as possible. For a cookie clicker bot to work, it needs accurate data on how many cookies it has and how many it makes in a second. This is where I ran into my first problem. The game literally shows you these numbers right above the cookie. But I can't just use the image finding function to get the score, as it can be practically any number. After some quick research, I found another library that could open Cookie Clicker in a testing window and easily get raw text from the page. Selenium. So I made a function to get the cookie count by reading the displayed score until the current character is a space. Now I can't have a successful bot without it knowing how to buy upgrades. So I told the bot about a couple dozen items it can buy, how much they cost, and how well they work. With this data, I made a really simple algorithm to pick the best item based on its ratio of cost to cookies per second. Upgrades, on the other hand, are slightly different than items, as they can only be bought once and require specific stats to unlock. After adding 24 upgrades to the bot's list, I figured it was time to give it a good test. After an hour, I was glad to see it still running without any bugs, but was disappointed in its progress. It's going for items too expensive and ends up clicking for too long. After some more research, I found this add-on called Cookie Monster. Instead of picking the best unlocked item, it picks the item with the best payback for the time it takes to get that item. So I added in this logic, and I turned this bot into a speedrunner. Most YouTube viewers would know that every speedrunner needs this magic speedrun timer to flex their gaming skills on the internet. But where do they get this thing? Well, I figured that if my bot was going to speedrun for me, it would need this timer. So I went on the internet and installed the first link I saw. After a week of hard work, my bot has been finished, and I will never waste my time on something silly ever again. Right? I'm Graybeard42, and I don't have a beard.